Imagine you're in a kitchen. Each of the objects you push, lift, and pour behaves in ways that are characteristic to its physical properties, its mass, shape, friction, elasticity, and so on. Although you and I may take for granted, we humans have an exquisitely well-calibrated understanding of how the physical world works, an understanding we can leverage to achieve our goals, such as an amazing pizza. A core aim of AI is to create machines that interact with the world as effectively as we do. But how would we know if an algorithm understood commonplace physics in a human-like way? And if it did not, how could we hone in on the critical missing ingredients? To meet this challenge, we need a benchmark that exposes understanding of how objects will behave over time, covers a wide range of different physical phenomena, and does so in rich and realistic environments. Several existing datasets probe physical understanding to some extent. However, they all fall short on at least one key dimension. Here, we introduce a new dataset, which we call Physion, that meets all three criteria. Our paper makes the following contributions: a new benchmark dataset containing diverse and realistic physical scenarios, a unified evaluation protocol to evaluate physical understanding in models and humans, and a systematic comparison of state-of-the-art model and human performance. The current release of Physion consists of movie clips featuring a wide range of physical phenomena across 8 scenario types, and here we prioritize key physical concepts that have previously been studied in cognitive science. Support scenarios feature block towers that probe understanding of stability, and we procedurally generate a large number of these videos with different numbers of objects, different forces, in a variety of visual contexts. Collide scenarios focus on projectile motion and collisions between two objects. In contained scenarios, you have to understand how one object can contain another. In drop, dynamics depends on objects fall and bounce off each other. Then there's link, in which object's motion is weakly or strongly constrained by attachment to other objects. Roll emphasizes the difference between rolling and sliding motion as a function of object shape. Dominoes, which measures understanding of spatial relations, momentum, and sequential collisions. And finally, drape includes cloth-like objects interacting with rigid objects under the effect of gravity. We operationalize physical understanding as the ability to make accurate predictions about upcoming physical interactions between objects based on their current trajectories. Specifically, we use the object contact prediction task, which asks whether the agent object, red, will touch the patient object, yellow. Here, this is what the task looks like to the human participants we recruited to provide a benchmark against which to rigorously evaluate state-of-the-art models. For each of the 150 videos in a scenario, we collected predictions by 100 human participants. We also elicited predictions from 11 state-of-the-art models. Both of these sets of predictions could then be compared to the ground truth, which we did for all 8 scenarios in our dataset. We also developed a unified protocol for training and evaluating physical understanding across many different types of models. We conceive of each model as consisting of 3 modules: an encoder that takes an input, here a series of RGB frames making up the video, and this is then fed into a dynamics model that tries to predict the evolution of the state beyond the input frames, and finally, a readout module maps the latent representation to a prediction about the scenario, will the 2 objects touch? We obtained several key results based on our parallel evaluations of models and humans. First, humans are good, but not perfect at making predictions, averaging about 75% correct predictions. Second, none of the computer vision models we tested came close to human performance, though some were significantly better than others. In particular, models that received supervised or unsupervised training signals related to objects, rather than simply predicting future pixels of a movie, achieved higher accuracy. And this suggests that explicitly abstracting away from the pixel level may be important for physical understanding. This is consistent with our final key result. Models that take particle-based object measures as input approach human-level performance. Of course, these models solve a much easier problem than humans do. They don't have to infer anything about the physical state directly from visual inputs, but rather have a rich, explicit, accurate scene description given to them directly. Taken together, these results suggest that a model's latent scene representation is critical to its prediction ability. We think, then, that a crucial open problem in physical understanding is building models that learn to abstract an explicit physical scene representation from pixel input. Endowing models with physical understanding of the world remains a crucial open problem in AI. Going forward, we hope that Physion will provide a useful resource for evaluating physical understanding and vision models, and thus driving progress toward AI systems that perceive and interact with the physical world as effectively as humans do.